Sea bass, the royalty of the ocean, meeting the soul of Suriname. Today we aren't just making a meal, we're creating a masterpiece. This is a dance of fire, silk and silver. Stay close, you won't want to miss a single sizzle. The ingredients we will add here is green mango, red onion, ginger, garlic, Madame Chanette or green chili, tomatoes, and Surinamese masala powder. Notice the pearly shimmer of this sea bass. We season it with a whisper of salt and pepper. Now listen to the skin transform. We want that skin crisp like parchment, while the flesh stays buttery and soft. Perfection in the pan. In goes the trinity aromatics that breathe life into the pan. Onions, chilies, garlic and ginger. We saute until they are weeping with flavor, until the air smells like a Surinamese hot breeze. Now the alchemy of Surinamese masala, a complex, earthy blend of turmeric and toasted spices. I'm using a store-bought blend for that deep nostalgic heat. Add the velvet-rich tomato puree. And now the electric spark. Raw green mango. It's tart, it's bold, it's scintillating. It's the hidden heartbeat of this curry. Bring the sea bass back to its throne. Let it bathe in the spicy, tangy nectar. Cover it. Let the steam do its work. Let the mango surrender its juice to the fish. Check this out. The Surinamese sea bass curry. Vibrant, silken, unforgettable. If your mouth is watering, hit that subscribe button for more culinary art. Now, it's time to eat.